Here's College Street. Our contingency dike. There's the music hall. It's a snowy hill road. They're still opening to get to houses. You can see the other dike. Alright, we're looking at the walking bridge. I don't know if you can see how high the water is. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how high it is. It's really bright, I don't know if you can see. Oh my goodness. Then tomorrow and Wednesday. This is Main Street and here's the park. And it's really loud. There's the corner house. Oh, look at that storage shed down there. Rachel.
Where?
Way down there.
Whoa! Oh man.
Got the bridge between the dorms and the bubble. It's definitely underwater. It's getting pretty high on the dike. I worked like right here, like right before I left, just for an hour. Look at that shed, wow. Because something broke over there.
That's a huge sandbag.
Jeez, it's getting really deep.